Tonight's weather report brought to you by Suncorp, building a more resilient Australia.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Cooler southeasterly winds are pushing steadily north along the Queensland coast, with showers returning to the eastern seaboard and some intense thunderstorms forming inland, for which warnings were issued this afternoon. A clearing trend begins tomorrow, but we won't get back to full sunshine until probably Friday. Today's top temps were a few degrees down on yesterday as predicted, generally around 30 degrees, but last night was quite warm and humid, as the numbers suggest. On the satellite loop now, again, most of the action's been in the north, although this afternoon some severe thunderstorms did get going through central and southern Queensland, mainly inland parts of the Wide Bay Burnett. You can see them popping up now, and also around the central highlands and coalfields moving into the Capricornia. Last night, of course, we had that another round of storms similar to the one previously that came through the Herbert Burdigan, producing falls in excess of 100 millimetres. Now, on today's chart, the reason for all this rain, a little bit difficult to explain. We do have southeasterly winds coming from this next high, and that's cooled the southern part of Queensland down, but the humidity in the north comes from this inland trough lingering around, and moisture through deep levels in the atmosphere getting drawn in from the northeast. On tomorrow's chart, though, as the high moves further out into the Tasman Sea and intensifies slightly, we'll get strong force southeasterly winds building all the way up to Cairns and Cooktown, and that'll take the edge off the humidity, also the edge off the showers and the storms. And then on the outlook chart, as the high continues to move east and the next trough comes in from the west, winds begin to turn around to the north, things fine up and it gets warmer and warmer. The latest now from the Weather Bureau, boating forecast for Capricornia waters, easterly winds 15 to 20 knots all day tomorrow, 1.5 metre seas, winds dropping to 10 to 15 knots on Friday and Saturday. The full moon spring tide's almost upon us, with a very large high tide welcoming us to the beach tomorrow morning. Don't expect to find much sand. Capricornia District forecast, a slight chance of a shower or storm tomorrow. Gladstone 28 degrees, Rockhampton cooler still 29, same for Biloela, and Yapuna comfy 27. Central Highlands and Coalfields still got the flood warning for the Dawson River. Showers and storms in the southeast only though. Emerald, Claremont and Moranbah all expecting 33 degrees. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, mostly clear weather returning by Friday with steadily rising temperatures as we push into the weekend. Next week presents a new rain opportunity, but it's too early for details. And that's it, folks. Pleasure to have your company and thanks for watching 7. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the weather. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. See you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.